Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how much change I've saved in coins in the year 2021. So that is from any time I break into a note, I save all the change and I put it into a jar. I did exactly the same last year. Can't believe the time has just flown by. I'll include the thumbnail and the link to my previous video in 2020. I don't think I would have saved as much this year because obviously there hasn't been as many coins circulating due to COVID and many places not actually accepting cash. However, every penny is a prisoner. So stick around in this video. We're going to head down to the bank and find out again how much you can actually save during the year simply by just putting those coins into a jar, because it all adds up to your savings and investments and the compound effect takes place. So do not go anywhere, stick around, let's find out how much I've saved in 2021. So you've heard me say it before, get yourself onto a roundup feature using Monzo or Moneybox. I personally use Moneybox myself, where you can sign up your bank account to this investment platform and start saving your change within the bank. You know, you go into a shop, spend a certain amount of money and automatically it will round it up to the nearest pound or dollar wherever you may be. Super simple, increases on your investments and savings. There is no excuse because it's so easy. That's just a little tip, and I'm nearly at the bank to find out how much we've saved in physical change. So just got out the bank and I'm pleasantly surprised actually with how much I've actually saved. So I didn't think it would be that much because, like I said, sort of over the last year due to COVID, there really hasn't been that much change circulating from consumer to the shops and whatnot, retail. So really happy with it. I'm not going to reveal how much I've saved just yet. We're going to get home and I will tell you how much I've saved. But what I will say is it just goes to show you really should look after the small guys, because it does add up, because this is going straight into a joint savings account. And although it's not a huge amount and it's not life-changing, it still adds up. And at the end of the day, I think of it like this: if I hadn't kept it and I'd have left it with the shop or just left it in the petrol station or thrown it on the floor as some people do, which is insane, then it wouldn't be in my bank account. So actually I think it's a win-win. Do start saving change, I can't say it enough, and let's go home, find out how much I saved. So I'm back in the office to reveal the number of what has been saved in the year 2021, all in change, and that number is, drum roll please, £132.22. Now I'm really chuffed with that. It's £50 less than what I saved last year, which was £182. And at the end of the day, no, it's not bank breaking numbers, but it will add to the investments and savings. And what I do want to say, as I said earlier in the video, there's no reason we should not be doing this. Everything is too simple. It's too easy not to be doing it. Like I said, Moneybox, Monzo, these are investment apps that allow you to save your change within the bank. It's all automated. Standing orders with our banks. We should be paying ourselves first. And just by doing these little extras, saving your change throughout the year, instead of leaving it on the floor or in the shop, save it, put it in a jar and change it up at the end of the year. And it's a good goal to aim for. So I hope this video has offered some value and that maybe you're going to go on to save your change. If you did like it, do hit like and subscribe. And until the next video, I'll see you all very soon.